So here's a quick tour of the connectivity of the Yukon. So in the front, we have standard USB and then the more modern USB-C, which charges faster, but not everybody has plugs for. And then we have a standard cigarette lighter. Moving to the back of the center console, 2 more USB-C ports and AC power. And I'm going to spin you around to the third row. On the left side, another USB-C. Actually, that was the right side. Left side, USB-C. And then in the way back, one more AC plug right there. So bring your USB-C cables if you have them. If not, let us know. We'll provide you some.